Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another banger, and this one we're gonna go over some Jordan and Yeezy releases for the month of March. I know we're in March already, but hey, we still gonna cover some heat that's coming out soon near you. If you're doing up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel for more streetwear sneaker related content. And with all that being said, let's get straight into this video. So we're gonna start this list off with some of the Jordans that are gonna be releasing. I'm not gonna go through everything because some of this shit is ass in my opinion. So hey, we're gonna get through what I think is cool. This first row off rip is straight ass. I do like the color on the Jordan 1 lows, but those are golfs and they're not even the OG Jordan 1 lows, so we good on that. We got the UNC Jordan 6s, which is actually a pretty solid pair of sneakers. I wouldn't really go for it for my personal collection because I feel like I probably wouldn't gravitate to wear this sneaker as much, so I'm not really gonna waste my money or my time on it. But they do look clean. If I'm not mistaken, this is taken from a PE. As you can see in the back around where the Jumpman would be normally, there's a tag which basically indicates that this is an inspired by sneaker. As you can see right here, it has the same thing that's on the UNC PE Jordan 4s. The UNC 6s aren't really gonna have resell in my opinion. You got the mint foam Jordan 6s, which honestly I'm liking more than the UNC ones. I don't know what it is about this shoe, but it just looks better. I feel like it's a more wearable sneaker. The grayish with the white and then that minty green just looks nice. I don't know if I'd go for it once again, but I do think that it's a contender, bro. That minty green is definitely doing something for me, at least. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Maybe it's an unpopular opinion, but I do think that this one is actually solid, bro. Especially for the ladies out there. Hey, if you're trying to look for a pair of Jordan 6s, this one's actually sick. March 11th, we got probably one of my favorite sneakers on this whole video, and it's the playoff Jordan 12s. I've been waiting for these bitches to come back. Jordan 12s are probably top 5 Jordan model in my opinion. Hey, once again, my opinion, but the playoff 12s is beautiful. I love these and the taxis. Bro, this is a must cop. March 11th, I need these no matter what. Like, this is a pay resell sneaker. If I have to, I definitely will for these right here. These go so hard, like undeniable, bro. Like, who doesn't like these right here? It's the black with the white, the tuxedo vibe on these Jordan 12s. 12s are just clean to me in general, so I definitely love these and I'm looking forward to pick these up. So cold. Definitely a cop for me. March 17th, we got the Rebillionaire Jordan 1s. These look loud as fuck. Honestly, this is another one of those that I don't really think I would wear too often, so I probably will go for it. I'm not gonna bullshit y'all, but if I do get it, I'll see what it looks like in hand and I'll probably end up flipping these down the line. It's decent, but like, bro, these shits is loud as hell. I don't know why they look like this. I like the idea behind it. Maybe it's the words or the band X on the back. I don't know if this shoe needed all that. You know what I'm saying? Like, this would have been a standalone shoe without all that. But then again, it would just be a shadow. So I don't know. Let me know if you guys are hyped for these. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. We got the Del Sol Jordan 13s. These remind me of the Wheat 13s, which is a pair that I had back in the day. And these don't look that bad, bro. I feel like the yellow is a little bright. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. The Wheat has like a more monotone looking yellow. That's why I like those, but these are a little bit louder. I don't know if I'll end up going for these on release day. I already got my Flints. I don't really need another pair of 13s unless it's like the He Got Games or like a pair that I remember from back in the day or even had low key. I don't know. These shits is alright. They cool. I think this is like a pair of PEs that they brought back. That's what they've been doing a lot recently and it looks decent. Let me know what you guys think about the Del Sol Jordan 13s. Nothing too special, I'm not gonna lie, but they decent. They cool. We got the Zen Master Jordan 4s on March 18th as well, which doesn't make sense, not adding up, but these got like this tie-dye effect and on feet they don't look horrible. It's almost like an Easter sneaker, which kind of makes sense. It's releasing right around Easter. Do I need these? Like, do I really need these? Like, I don't think so, bro. Like, they're cool, but there's so many Jordan 4s I would rather have before this shit right here. They're not horrible, but I just don't feel like it's a must cop, if that makes sense. I don't know if these are gonna have resell. I know 4s have been killing shit, so I don't doubt it at this point, but let me know what y'all are saying about these. For me personally, it's a drop. I feel like it has potential, but I just gotta see what's going on with it as it gets closer, if that makes sense. I don't know. I gotta see a review on them. Like, I don't know what's going on with these. Yo, March is loaded. What So we got these Paris mids. I'm not even gonna really spend too much time on the mids. These basically just got the navy with the gray. We good on those. The Rui Hachimura Jordan 8 SE. These look like they got a lot of shit going on. There's like different materials on this. There's a lot of suede I can see. These actually look kind of sick. It might be what officially gets me my first pair of 8s. I've always wanted the Aqua 8s, but I never picked them up. On release day, I might go for these, and I feel like 8s aren't hyped at all, so hopefully people sleep. But these bitches are hard, bro. Look at the insole on these. Nah, I need these. Yeah, I need these. Look at the box. These shits go hard as fuck. This is a must cop for me. Like, we got the Jade Horizon Jordan 5s releasing on March 24th. If I'm not mistaken, these have been pushed back a couple times at this point. I love that baby green on these with the aged materials on the outsole and around the eyelets of the sneaker. These look sick. This is the way that they should be working on Jordan 5s. It almost gives me like 2007 Jordan 5s when the green beans, the burgundy joints, all of them shits. That's what I feel like happened with these, and I'm really excited to go for these. Honestly, I really hope this part right here isn't too thin, because that shit makes the front look big as fuck. So I'm gonna try them. If they don't work out, I'll probably end up selling them. Colorway is beautiful on this Jade Horizon Jordan 5. Don't sleep. These go hard. March 25th, we got some heat, bro. The Muslin Jordan 3s. Banger. These shits go so hard. Must cop. Like, you can't even... This is undeniable shit right here. I feel like this is some shit that Virgil would have done. Rest in peace. I honestly love the fact that the gray doesn't have the elephant print. It makes it more different, more simple. I also like that they use canvas instead of leather. That's like a give and take situation, because the material will probably age quicker, or it will look worse way faster than with regular leather. I still think that this is a beautiful sneaker. Definitely gonna go for these right here. Hey, it's the closest I'm getting to the Jordan 4 off-whites for now. Obviously, we gonna have to get those one day, but these shits is clean, bro. These are top 3 for this month for me. We got the Sapphire Jordan 7s. These bitches is ass. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. These is cheeks, but we gonna talk about the Jordan 4 blank canvas. We've covered these before, and it's basically a blank canvas, bro. The only colors on this shoe is the red pod at the bottom and the blue pod. There's a little bit of yellow on there, but that's pretty much it. It's almost like a cow print. I think these are clean, but I don't know if I really need these. I might go for them simply because it's a Jordan 4 and it looks like a cream color, bro, but I don't really know if I need these shits. Let me know if you guys are gonna be going for the blank canvas Jordan 4s. Just give me the off-white Jordan 4s. That's all I need. All I need, bro. But that was the last Jordan releasing this month. There's a couple bangers in here. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. The playoffs go hard. If you're in the market for some baby blue sneakers, I feel like I have too many. The UNC 6s. These mint foam joints aren't that bad either, bro. I honestly like these. I don't know how I feel about these Rebellion Air Jordan 1s. It's not really doing it for me. It's a little too loud. The Del Sol 13s, they cool. They cool. Zen Master 4s are alright too. It's nothing over the top. These shits is ass. I'm excited for these two pairs. Actually, there's a lot of heat coming out this month. Stay on your sneakers app. Watch some stories, bruh. Use 2 phones if you got them. Do what you gotta do if you need to. We're gonna run through some Yeezy releases real quick. We got the static Yeezy 700 V2s restocking on March 5th. That's literally around the block. But yeah, they're restocking. They're saying retail is gonna be $240. I don't know if it's gonna stay at $300. We don't know yet, but yeah, these are restocking in a couple days. Stay tuned for these. Banger sneaker. I really do want to get these in my collection, honestly. It's one of the ones that I regret not going for. I don't even remember if I did, but I definitely missed out, and I actually really want those. We got 3 pairs of Yeezy slides restocking, the pure color, the ochre, and we also do have a new color, which is the onyx, and that's probably the one that I'm most excited for. These are releasing on March 7th. Definitely am gonna try to go for all 3. You can never go wrong with either color, but I really want to hit on that onyx pair. I feel like that's just gonna look beautiful with a lot of fits. Resale on Yeezy slides is probably gonna go up because summer's coming, bruh, and y'all already know everybody gonna be wearing these bitches. We got the foam runners in the mist and the stone sage color. These are releasing March 11th, and I do have a pair of these, but hey, you can never go wrong with another pair, and worst case scenario, you could always flip it, so we not even tripping. You got the MX Frost Blues on March 11th and the Oreos. This ain't adding up, but there's a lot of heat on March 11th for Yeezy. Let me know if y'all gonna be going for any of these. Honestly, I'm gonna go for for the Oreos more than the Frost Blues. I do like the fact that they switched it up a little bit, added some more colors to it, just looks a little more vibrant. And hey, from Yeezy, that's not typical. I do like the Oreo color better though. It just looks more simple and it looks like something that I'd actually wear more than this shit right here, if that makes sense. But we do got the Safflower Monos on March 17th. Still don't have a pair of V3 700s, and I don't think I'm gonna get a pair. I'm probably gonna be good on those. There's the Bone Pure Oat 350 V2s, basically the first triple white that we've gotten in a while, bro. There hasn't been like a triple white 350 since the creams. Them bitches restocked like 7 times. Every time they resold for something, bruh. So personally, I'm gravy with the biscuits on all that shit. This is the one for me right here. The Wave Runners restocking on March 21st. Don't sleep. This is some heat, bro. Definitely keep your eyes peeled because these shits right here are a must cop if you haven't got them already. Low-key, I want to double up on these. I'm just debating on if I should do so or not. But on March 23rd, we got the Yeezy 450 Cinders. I know there's a lot of mixed reviews on the 450s. Some people love them, some people hate them. These shits aren't that bad. I want to try them on feet. People say that they hurt or whatever, so I'm probably gonna size up if I do get them. They don't look that bad. I don't know why people are hating. It's like a weird ass looking shoe right there in the picture, but once you put them on feet, them shits be looking hard with the fits. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. And there's one more pair I'm gonna go over in this video, and it's the Yeezy Knit Runner in the stone carbon color. Let me know what y'all think about these bitches. Everybody gonna know your size. If you a 9 or a 13, they gonna say it on the side. I'm good on these shits right here. Honestly, like these better than the original colorway. I still wouldn't pick these up. It's literally a foam runner inside a sock. I'm not going for that shit, bro. Like, it's not happening over here, so we gonna skip on that. And that pretty much does it, bro. Let me know what y'all gonna be going for this month. There's a lot of heat releasing. I ain't even go through the dunks. That's a whole separate video. Let me know if y'all would like to see that down below in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe for more sneaker or streetwear content. I got a bunch more shit coming, so make sure you stay tuned. And hey, road to 20K. Subscribe down below. We at 19.1, going up little by little. Go ahead and subscribe and let's get this shit going, bro. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.